Besides reading basic strings, you can also get more advanced. Just read instead of reading text files, you could try to read binary files, which are more often used to store data intended for programs. Opening binary files and reading them is actually pretty similar to reading strings, but it does have some key differences, of course. Here's another piece of code from Matthew Butner for opening I believe this is actually adapted to just open this is for opening binary files. It simply looks at the arguments, making sure there's not too many things with the program call, and make sure that it's a success. You have to do read in binary RB instead of just R. After that, you can begin reading the file. In the example here, it is reading the binary files intended for the homework assignment for Perimeter, and so it has one number in it, one integer, listing the number of points, and then the number of points times 2 is the number of remaining integers to find. And then these are just simply printed out for a more basic example. So, this is pretty simple. Instead of doing the fread we were doing for reading strings, we have a function read the file. It takes a thing to store that in, such as an integer, a size of the thing it's looking for. So say if you're looking for doubles instead, you want to do this so that it knows the number of bytes to look through the binary file, the number of those things to look for, and then the file pointer. After that, in this example, after taking this single number, you can get the rest of the stuff. Like with the string example, we create a array. In this case, an integer array equal to the number of points times 2. This number times 2. With space for that many ints. Then we simply do the same thing we did here, storing a single integer in each of these spaces, and after that we can simply do what we're intending to do, display the numbers. Note that you can actually close the file already because you're already done reading it. You don't have to worry about using this file anymore, and so you can just close it before you display your output. This is nice so that if your program's like running for a long time, it doesn't take the file and let other programs not use it when it's taking a while to run, for example. You can simply do what you're intending to do, and then of course free the dynamic space of the array. And that's it.